everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome here. In this video, I'm doing a different type of unboxing, and it is from ThredUP, as you can see, and it is a fun box. It is from Phoenix, Arizona. So, wow, they just tape it in one spot. Let's open it and check it out. Maybe like that. Oh, okay. Well, let me look at the receipt. This costs, let's see, it says $28, but that's odd. I know there's shipping involved and who knows, so it's more than that. So, okay, everything is just loose. All right, there is first looks. So, I'll take everything out and we'll go over each piece. Okay, I took everything out of the box. So, the first item we have is a pair of blue thread tassel hook earrings. Three shades of blue. They are not marked, but they're sweet. So we have this pair. The ear wires are gold tone, so we have that. Next item, Stalvana. These are three pairs of, they look like crew socks, and they all have the word smiles, smile, and there's a little smiley face. See that? So yeah, three pairs. I don't know, something like this I could throw in as a gift. You know, throw a pair of socks to someone who wants to who purchase other things from me. Okay, this is cool. It's a black cap. Needs a little wipe down. SASSY. Okay, this is still on it, so it looks brand new. You can adjust it in the back, and it's by Primitive Survivors. I think this is a tactical gear company, but it says SASSY. So we have that. That's cool. Next up, a scarf. This is like in some sort of an animal print, gray, with the black and beige design. This is one of those big type of scarves. I just want to check to see if there's any tag, and there is not on that side, and I don't think there is any on this side. I'll be honest, the last time I got a fun box, I also got a scarf. I ended up, see, there's a snag over there. I ended up donating them to Savers. So this is probably another donation that I will make to them. Okay, something just fell. This next item is a pair of net stockings. It's by STELLA ELYSE. These are navy blue. It's this is the design. Let's see what it says. Yeah, navy blue, size large, extra large, retails for $19.99, 93% nylon and 7% spandex. So a large, extra large is 5'7" to 6'2", 150 to 220 pounds. So we have this pair. This here is filled with rhinestones. Purple and clear. This is a buckle. Yeah, this is definitely a buckle. There's some marks on it that I can wipe off. Oh, all right. There's what you would place the belt through, and here's the little notch. Still has a tag. It says body whack 601, big oval buckle. $165 retail. Really? It's made in the USA. Wow. Fancy buckle. And all the rhinestones seem to be there. Let me check. Yeah, I believe so. Because I was like looking at this part. I'm not sure if that... no, the rhinestone's there. Everything. This is intact. So we have that. Next up, here's jewelry. We got an Alex and Ani expandable bracelet. Butterfingers tonight. Yeah, I'm filming this after work. It says friends, like a half a heart, and there is some wear on the outer rim of that heart. This is from 2016. Charity, does that say? Charity by Design. You know, this has some wear to it. Like, can you see that? It's silver tone. It's still quite nice. So we have this Alex and Ani bracelet. Okay. Let me pick up what I dropped. And here it is. This is a champion. What is this? Oh, you can wear this like as a crossbody, but meaning actually cross your body. Or I believe it could be worn as a waist belt. Has a really nice canvas belt that has adjustability. It has this very strong snap. Comes in this nice red, white, and blue color. And then you have this, it feels like foam, like a foamy pocket. Nice zipper. It has the logo. It has a pocket, a zippered pocket inside with the Champion logo lining. It even has space to put your name and address. This is clean. It looks really new. What does this say? Polyester and spandex. This is sweet. This is the opposite side. You know, I have seen this. I've seen this on Mercari for 50 bucks. I've seen it on Poshmark for up to $38. I've seen used ones on eBay for like $15, $20. This looks to be in excellent condition. So we have this Champion, I guess it's a waist belt or a crossbody. Yeah. Last two items. Sunglasses. And they're Ray-Bans. But look how scratched up they are. See that? This is in a brown, like a tortoiseshell color. The sides are metal, It does say Ray-Ban right there. It says made in Italy. And this is the Erica Classic. There is a number, Ray-Ban RB 4171865/133N. I mean, these would have been pretty nice if they weren't so scratched up. These basically retail for like $150. So we have this Ray-Ban pair. And then lastly is this watch. This is a Michael Kors, extremely heavy. This is one of those chronograph watches. I mean, this is heavy. It's not working. On the back it says MK5725. And it also says all stainless steel, style number 251208, 10 ATM. 10 ATM, that means it's it could withstand it's water resistant to up to 100 meters. There's a lot of scratching on this. There's the MK on that dial. There's a lot of scratching. You see that? It looks like scrapes. This is one heavy watch. I wonder if this is a woman's. I think it is. Because the watch band is really... Let's take a look at this watch band. Okay, I think it's broken. Let's see how to open. How do you open this? Okay. $255-300. I don't know what that means. But do you see this? The other side has this link, but it's missing the pin. They do sell replacement pins for these type of watches, like the links with the pins, and they go for like $14 or something like that. But this, I don't think I think this is broken. Meaning, you see where that goes? I think that's supposed to be connected, right? I don't know. Does anyone know anything about these kind of watches? And I believe this is a woman's watch. And then you just snap it together this way. Like so. Okay, one moment. Let me put it together and measure this. Because, yeah, I believe this is definitely a woman's watch. Maybe the Mercer one. Let me get the measuring tape. Yeah, this watch, I would say measures about 7.5 inches. So this is definitely a woman's watch. So we have this Michael Kors one. Maybe I'll just bring it to my jeweler and have him put a battery in it and let me know if this is broken or not. But this here retails for $210. But the fact that it's in the condition that it is in, it will be way less. So what you think of this fun box? We have 1 item, 2 item, 3, 4, 5, 6. The tassels make it 7. Here's 8. Let's see what else I got. 9 and 10. So 10 items for the price I paid. is pretty, it's pretty awesome. What'd you think? What'd you think of this fun box? Did you have fun? If you did, please give me a like. Click on the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If there's anything you are interested in purchasing, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.